There are different kinds of leadership styles like your autocratic style, democratic style, participative style, laissez-faire leadership style, your transition leadership and your charismatic leadership style. There are various kinds of organization structure which you will have to draft in your book. The question paper, it will be having 3 sections: part A, part B and part C. So part A, each question will carry 2 marks. They will ask 7 questions, out of which you have to answer only 5. Hi everyone, I am Purna Chandra, faculty, Department of Commerce and Management, Vidyashram, Temple of Excellence. So the subject which I'll be handling is Management Principles and Practice. In today's class, I'll be brushing up with the syllabus point of view and the examination point of view, what all kind of questions will come and what is the pattern of questions that will come. So the subject name is Management Principles and Practice. This is as per the new education policy that the University of Mysore has implemented from the academic year 2021 and 22. So it is a discipline specific course. In this course, there is usually 5 modules. First one is Introduction to Management. Second one is Planning and Decision Making. The third one is Organizing and Staffing. Fourth module is Directing and Communicating. And the fifth one is Coordinating and Controlling. So in today's session, I'll just be introducing you people to the topics which you will have to study in these 5 modules. So the first module is called Introduction to Management. So the topics which are included in this chapter are Introduction, Meaning, Evolution of Management Thought, your pre-scientific management era, your classical management era, neoclassical management era, modern management era. Then you go to Nature and Characteristics of Management. Then you go for Scope and Functional Areas of Management. And then you also study management as a science, as an art or profession. And then there is a difference between management and administration which you will be understanding. And then your principles of management. That is your scientific principles or your general principles given by F.W. Taylor and Henry Fayol. This is regarding the first module. So next we will go to the second module. That is Planning and Decision Making. The topics that we will be covering in this module are nature, importance and purpose of planning, the planning process, objectives, types of plans, only meaning, decision making, importance and steps, MBO and MBE meaning only. MBO means management by objective and MBE is management by exception. So this is regarding your second module. So now we'll go to the third module. Third module is mainly concerned with organizing and staffing. So the topics that we'll be covering in organizing and staffing are nature and purpose of organization, principles of organizing, delegation of authority, types of organization, departmentation, committees, difference between centralization and decentralization, authority and responsibility, span of control, nature and importance of staffing. These are the topics which we will be covering in module 3. So now we'll go to module 4. Module 4 is mainly regarding directing and communicating. So the topics are meaning and nature of direction, principles of direction, communication, meaning and importance of communication, communication process, types of communication, communication motivation theories. Then your Maslow's need hierarchy theory, that is a motivation theory. Then you got Hertzberg's 2-factor theory and you also have McGregor's X and Y theory. So this is regarding motivation. Then you go for leadership, meaning formal and informal leadership, characteristics of leadership, leadership styles, that is there are different kinds of leadership styles like your autocratic style, democratic style, participative style, laissez-faire leadership style, your transition leadership and your charismatic leadership style. So these are the topics which we'll be handling in module 4. Now we'll go for module 5. So module 5 is mainly concerned with coordinating and controlling. So the topics here are coordination, meaning, importance and principles, controlling meaning and the steps in controlling, essentials of an effective control system and techniques of control. In brief, you people will be studying. Then you go for business social responsibility. So in business social responsibility, you will be understanding meaning, arguments for and against business social responsibility. So next is your green management actions, managerial ethics, meaning, importance of ethics in business, factors that determine ethical or unethical behavior. So these are the topics which you will be covering in module 5. So this is regarding the syllabus. There are 5 different modules which you people will be studying in this subject. So next we will move on to the skill development activities that you people have to do during the course of the subject. First one is 2 cases on the above syllabus should be analyzed by the teacher in the classroom, and the same needs to be recorded by the student in skill development book. So what you people will be doing is, you people have to maintain a skill development book. So in that book, we will be discussing 2 case studies which you people have to analyze, and you have to give your opinion on those 2 cases. That is one activity. Second one is draft different types of organization structure. So there are various kinds of organization structure which you will have to draft in your book, that is skill development book. The third one is draft control charts. There will be various kinds of control charts will you people will be familiar in future classes. You people have to draft those control charts. So this is regarding the skill development activities. So next, marks details. So how the marks will be allotted, we will see. So here, this is the way evaluation will be done for the subject. Continuous and comprehensive evaluation for 20 marks. That is your industrial visits, your seminars, your group discussions, assignments, it will be evaluated for 20 marks. So next, your internal assessment test. So the test which we people will be giving as internals, it will be evaluated for 20 marks. So the total is 40 marks. That is your internals total is 40 marks. So at the end of the semester, you will be having a semester end examination for 60 marks. So altogether it is 100 marks. 20 is continuous and comprehension evaluation, 20 for internal assessment test, and 60 for semester end examination. In total it is 100 marks. Now the minimum marks for a pass, what is it? So the minimum marks for a pass is 35% marks in semester end examination. That is, out of 60, you should get minimum 21 marks to pass. If you fail to get 21 marks out of 60 in your semester end examination, you fail. Suppose you get 21 marks out of 60 and in your internals you are having 19 out of 40. That is 21 plus 19. That will sum up to 40 out of 100. Then you pass. So these are the criteria for a pass. So hope you people understood what I am explaining. So next, we will see the question paper pattern. So the question paper, it will be having 3 sections. Part A, Part B and Part C. So Part A, each question will carry 2 marks. They will ask 7 questions, out of which you have to answer only 5. So 5 into 2, it is 10 marks. Part A. Part B, each question will be carrying 10 marks. So they'll ask 4 questions of 10 marks, out of which you people have to write only 2. That is 10 into 2, 20 marks. In Part C, each question will carry 15 marks. They will ask 4 questions, out of which you people have to write only 2. So this is regarding Part C. So that is 30 marks. The total is 60 marks. This is regarding the semester end examination point of view. So the books for reference. So you people can refer any of these books. First one is Stephen P. Robbins Management or Pearson. Second one is Knutz and O'Donnell Management, McGraw-Hill. Third one is M.L. Prasad Principles of Management, Sultan Chand and Sons. V.S.P. Rao or Bajaj Management Process and Organization, Excel books, GH 25. The last one is T. Ramaswamy Principles of Management, HPH. So any of these books you people can refer. Most of the books are available in the library, so you people can refer any of the books and you people can analyze any kind of topics from them. So the entire syllabus is available within these books. So this is just an introduction part of the syllabus. So from the next session, we'll get into the syllabus. That is, we will analyze and we will learn the topics word by word. So thank you from my end.